Imagine what it must be like to be a fish. Now imagine what it must be like to be this fish, a ladyfish. This fish gets its name from its long, slender form and the way it dances when it's yanked out of its watery home. One minute this fish was cruising the tidal flow, and the next, a set of talons comes from out of nowhere, grabs it by the head, and yanks it into a world it might not even have an awareness of. Its survival tactic now is one thing: turn its body into a series of violent shakes. But it has a second defense built in. Ladyfish are covered in a thick layer of slime, and you can see it at work here as the fish tries its best to free itself from the bird. There is so much to learn from the wild world that happens right outside our window. These daily struggles for survival or a meal help put everything into perspective. The Osprey, it won this battle.